It's a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. That was kind of a memorialize the loss of some friends of ours to suicide. Did a Community for Hope, a nonprofit suicide awareness organization. Whole back tailgate is memorializing my best friend, my father, and one of the other builders' cousins. We wanted to do something that was sort of a high profile that got a lot of attention. We did partner with Community for Hope in hopes that they could garner some publicity and we could help fund their program. Wisco Custom's been partnered with Rolling Big Power for 3 years now, and kind of worked with them to develop good partners, whether it be wheels, tires, lifts, pretty much everything that you need to take an average truck and make it something different. Yeah, we've got a lot of garnered a lot of interest at SEMA this year. There's a lot of people that were oohing and ahhing on the truck, like a lot of the custom features that Wisco Customs did. Did some really nice inner wheel wells that were custom. The orange rack on the back was all custom done by Wisco Customs, as well as the exhaust that comes out the actual side of the rear fenders. Definitely some showcase items that Wisco Customs likes to do every year. It was very well received. I came into the build last year. I came out as a client of Wisco Customs just to kind of see what SEMA was all about. And working with Wisco Customs, they definitely had a lot of good things to say about the brand, the family atmosphere that RBP creates. And so that was one of the main reasons that we chose to partner and align ourselves with them.